go. Oh, yes.
In a quarter of a mile, bear right onto I-66 west toward Front Royal.
And I like how when you're driving normally and you just give it some gas, it just rockets out. Wow. So far, I gotta say, this is definitely a worthy upgrade over the 40i. I wanted to show it at an angle where you can see how nicely this paint looks in the sunlight. Hello there. Today, we are driving the 2024 BMW X550e. I want to say a huge thank you to Alexander over at BMW of Fairfax in Fairfax, Virginia for providing me this X5. You will see his information in the right-hand corner of the screen, along with his Instagram, so feel free to reach out to him directly if you're looking for a BMW. Here's the window sticker to the vehicle. This one comes with the M Sport package, the Premium package, the air suspension, and this beautiful interior trim, the coffee extended merino leather. This one does not have the parking assistance package with the 360 camera, but it does have all these other cool options here. And we also don't have the ventilated seats. But let's go check out this X5. I wanted to show it at an angle where you can see how nicely this paint looks in the sunlight. We have these big, beautiful, massive rims. I'm not a fan of the Pirelli P0 tires. I had them on my X4. They're very rough and loud. Not a big fan. I much prefer the Vredesteins or the Continentals. And I wish this X5 had a black grille. I think that would be a great addition to it. But let's check out the rear seat. This one has the leather package, the coffee. I definitely prefer it over the Sensafin in this case, even though I have said that the Sensafin is softer in my other X5 video. This has a really unique smell to it. And it reminds me of the 2017-18 Volvo XC90 inscriptions. They used to smell the same way, and I love that scent. We have the USBs. Again, no climate adjustment in the back. We don't see the temperature. Nice pockets, great materials everywhere, very comfy seats. A black headliner, very attractive interior. I like it. Let's go take a look at the trunk. We can lower the car by the press of the button, and this opens the bottom piece. We have the cargo cover and very usable space here to put your luggage or whatever things you need. But what is the best part of this car? Now, the best part of this car is that this is a hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, which means you get the best of both worlds. You get the ICE power and the electric power, which makes for a different driving experience. And the goal today is to see how different is this from the base 40i, and is it worth the extra charge. This, I believe, has around 490 horsepower, somewhere near those figures, like 487 or 489, something like that. I don't remember the exact number, but it's around there. And then the real question is, how much does it actually make? Does it make over 500, under? We don't know. Only a dyno can tell us. But here we're greeted to a comfortable cabin, excellent multi-contour seats with beautiful stitching patterns, an enormous panoramic sunshade, which looks incredible. It brings in so much sunlight into the cabin. Got our glove boxes here. A lot of usable space. Wireless charging pad. Regular USB. I really like that BMW still keeps these regular USBs alive. Now here we're greeted to the xDrive 8.5. We got a high quality navigation system that is very easy to use. It's responsive. I like the touchscreen. And we can select where we want to go. Here we also have different layouts of the dashboard where we can change the content that we want. And we can also edit the layout whichever way we like. I personally prefer this layout. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to keep it here in the minimalistic mode, because that way, in the reduced mode, that way you'll be able to see the speed better on camera. We have the automatic lights, memory seat for the driver. There's no passenger memory seat. The materials feel soft, high quality. We have Harman Kardon. This is our climate menu. We've got the heated seats and heated steering wheel, separate fan speeds. And this is our backup camera with sensors. We also have the assist view with the lines, the panorama view. Of course, I definitely think that you should get the parking assistance package. It's a great addition to have. We got the ambient lighting, and here's our menu where we can control other things. For example, like our ambient lighting, where we can adjust to the color that we want to have. We have a lot of options here. Lavender is a cool one. I'd probably stay with that. It reminds me of the purple in the previous generation. Very nice. Very good materials everywhere. We're going to start out in hybrid mode. And this is called the Hybrid Eco Pro. And then we're just, regular hybrid mode. We also have a heads-up display with excellent graphics, crystal clear, and we can also adjust the heads-up display to different views as well. Well, let's do the wiper test and the horn test. Let's take off the auto hold and let's get going.
Turn left onto Bow Lane and then turn left.
We have that cool sound, the expressive sounds as well.
Turn right at the traffic light onto Virginia 243 North.
Excellent comfort in the seats.
The expected drive time is 6 minutes.
Super comfy. We got the air suspension, and I definitely like the ride better with the air suspension option on this X5. Although the regular suspension is very comfortable, nevertheless, this is better.
In a quarter of a mile, bear right onto I-66 west toward Front Royal.
Let's turn off the voice guided instructions. So in the hybrid mode, it's very smooth, quiet in here. You've got great response. It shoots out right away when you add some throttle. But let's head on over to sport mode. I see it also shows us that we gotta warm up the engine a bit more, and then it will open up the red line. Not bad. All right, well, let's give him some space and hit it. Oh yeah, see that is what I'm talking about. That is some great power, and it sounds very good too. Yeah, this is a whole different game changer. It moves much faster than the X540i. Way better output. And I like how when you're driving normally and you just give it some gas, it just rockets out. Wow. I love it. I love it. The brakes are solid. Excellent steering feel. So far, So far I gotta say this is definitely a worthy upgrade over the 40i. We'll see how the numbers are once we do our Dragy tests, but I have a feeling we're gonna get some better times here with this kind of setup. There's no cracks or pops from the exhaust, none of that to be heard. Just a little bit of the engine and some amplified sound coming in as well. Although this sound is quieter than the previous generation. For example, the 2022s, they had louder acoustic sounds coming in. What were they called? The active sound or something they called it, BMW. I forgot the term. But this here is really good. Excellent balance. Excellent ride on the highway, ultra quiet. And yeah, the pickup is awesome. Can't praise it enough. This feels like it's in a different league of performance. Yes, yes. Great steering feel, sits on the corner beautifully. Just a hint of body roll, but that's to be expected. And I love how instant this powertrain is. Oh my. This puts a smile on my face. Let's see how quick this X5 is 0 to 60. We'll let the traffic through. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, yes. Whoa. Whoa. This really shoves you in. Really hard. 0 to 60 came in at 5.2. Excellent result, valid time. The 0 to 62, which is the 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, came at 5.45, and the 1/8 mile came at 8.64 at 84.44. Yeah, this X5 moves. It can hustle. It can hustle. It just leaves everybody behind. And right now we got 4.79 seconds on the 0 to 60 and 5.02 on the 0 to 62, which is 0 to 100. This is really awesome. But let's turn around and try a run from launch and see what we can do. All right, so let's try launch. All right, so let's go. Oh, whoo. Whoa. All right, let's see the times. So 0 to 60 came at 4.45 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour came at 4.68 seconds. And the 1/8 mile came at 8.21 at 85. Gosh, this was amazing. I want to try this again if we have space right now. This was just phenomenal. Just the feel of this, like it just pushed you in so hard. If a car is giving me this many emotions, that means it's good. It means it moves. And this sure moves. Beautiful power. Now let's try this one more time. Actually, never mind. It's a red light again. Oh, I love this. Well, we are heading back now. And so far, my impressions have not changed about this car whatsoever. This X5 really puts a smile on my face again. Can't stress it enough. This is definitely the enthusiast's choice. What is up with these yellow lights? This is like the 5th yellow light I'm going through. But this X5 really gives you so many emotions. I've highly enjoyed it. And if I was looking to get an X5, I don't know, I would actually maybe reconsider the M60i. I would maybe look at this instead, because this electric torque and just having this beautiful combination of a powerful quiet motor with the electric motor paired up is really a winning combination. You can use your electric range in the city when you want to just save gas, or you can use it whenever you want to. It's great on the highway. The power output is amazing. And I love the way this X5 rides and how quiet it is. The regenerative braking is also a nice feature. It kind of helps you slow down. I like the badge here too, how it has that blue oval around it, like the blue circle around the BMW badge. And definitely get the upgraded leather, the merino leather it's called, I believe. The coffee, like this is just the best material that I've tried in these modern Beamers. It's soft, it smells amazing. I gotta say, this really impressed me. This does not feel like a 5,000 plus pound car at all. It's very light to steer. It's got great feedback. It handles like a sedan. And what's more shocking is that this 50e, with all the added weight, it handles better than the 40i. And get the air suspension. What a great option this is. The ride becomes 7 Series smooth. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Let me know what you think about this car and the test drive in the comments below. And make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Till next time.